Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So ladies and gentlemen, we're just waiting for this is good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital livestream. This is your host Jarod, tuning in for London session. Just pause this music first. So before we do any top-down analysis, we're just gonna clear out our previous data. It's always good to start with clean, fresh analysis, fresh eyes. And before we do any top-down analysis, we're just going to check Forex Factory if we have any high impact news coming out, or if we had any high impact news that came out. So we did have FOMC that came out earlier this morning at 4 a.m., 4:30 a.m., 4 a.m. actually. Didn't trade that. We have unemployment claims coming out later tonight. We have a couple of high impact news on Euro coming out at during NY Open tonight too, so that's something to look forward to if you're going to be trading NY session, but we're not going to be trading NY session. We're sticking to London session for now. So I think because we don't have any high impact news coming out for London session, I think we're going to have a nice, good price action session for today. So without any further discussion on that, just gonna go ahead now to our top-down analysis. Let's see what's happening on the daily time frame. Pretty decent structure on the daily time frame. We can identify our most recent support area on the daily time frame is at 1954, and we have our current daily count just stepped into 1980, which is the current resistance area on the daily time frame. So at this point, we're not. Two things. Do we either break above the daily resistance now, or this could just be a rejection to potentially come down and retest the lows? So it's going to be interesting to see how this plays out. We're currently bullish on the daily time frame, but we'll have to check out what's happening on the lower time frames to see how we can execute on this. Dropping down to the lower time frame now, which is the 4-hour time frame. Let's see. Previous 4-hour candle was extremely bullish. Actually broke above this previous resistance area right over here on the 4-hour time frame. The resistance at 1973-200. Yeah, so we broke and closed above this area. The current 4-hour candle has 2 hours left until it closes. We're currently bearish at the moment on the 4-hour time frame, but we'll see if this is just a retracement for us to potentially come out to retest the highs over here. The 4-hour candle highs at 1982, and then we could potentially come out to retest this previous resistance area over here, which was formed on the, what day is this? 28th of June. That was last week Thursday. So yeah, we'll have to wait to see. I think for sells, for us to look at sells based on the 4-hour time frame, I think it'd be wise for us to wait for price to come down below the 1973 level before we look to take any sells. But at the moment, this just could be a retracement for us to potentially drive bullish. We could potentially get in on some buys over here. The only problem is we've kind of rejected on our daily resistance area, so we'll have to get confirmations on the lower time frames. Yeah, shit, what's happening here? Okay, dropping to our confirmation time frames now, which is the 1 hour time frame. Just going to do an in-depth analysis on the 1 hour time frame right now. Just gonna get rid of this. Okay, looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have this current 1 hour resistance over here, 1979, 1979.30. So this resistance over here was formed at 1 p.m. today. So we can clearly see how we've created a new high at this point. So we have kind of a series of higher highs forming since yesterday. So maybe this could just be a new high, and if we have some sort of support forming over here, then we could potentially have price come up to retest the highs in 1979, potentially tap into 1980 again. So that's what I'm looking at for buys. Looking at sells, we had all this clean traffic over here, which happened during Asian session today at 11 a.m. today. So there's a nice bullish push. Could potentially anticipate price to correct some of these moves coming down. As long as price doesn't break below 1972, I think it'll be wise for us to wait for potential support to form. And if we have a support forming over here, then we'll see how we can capitalize on it to retest the highs. Other than that, that's pretty much a simple analysis of today. Really don't want to be looking at the 30-minute time frame, but you know what, might as well look into it. Look at the 30-minute time frame right now. We have it's kind of tricky on the 30-minute time frame. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, we have clean traffic coming down, but then on the 30-minute time frame, we have like this minor resistance forming on the 30-minute time frame at 1978.50. Looking to the left too, we have a deeper range coming down all the way down to 1971.60. So that's something that I'm currently looking at also at the moment. Even though things are looking good for us to take buys, but maybe if we anticipate this daily resistance to hold, we could always have a drive a little bit more bearish, to be honest. So that's something we're looking at this point. About 52 minutes until this 1 hour candle closes. We have 21 minutes until the 30-minute candle closes. So at this point, we're not going to take any buys unless we get some strong confirmations. Likewise with sells, I think it's best for us to wait for strong confirmation before getting in on any trade. But looking at hindsight, if I was in the chats at 4:30 p.m., this would have been a nice trade that I would have taken right over here. But we'll see. We'll see how we can capitalize on volume coming in from London session. So the only thing left to do now is just to be patient and wait for price to print out something that we recognize before we can capitalize on any trade. But I think this is going to be a very nice, good, clean price action session. We have a new high forming on the lower time frame now. We have a nice minor bearish bullish trend on the forward time frame too. Let's see. Over here, where is this thing? Right here. So we have like a minor bullish trend over here happening on the forward time frame. So as long as we don't break this previous forward candle low, I think there are potential that we could potentially drive further bullish at this point. So everything's bullish, so it's always good to take trades with the trend. And at this point, I think we'll be in a better position taking a trade with the trend, which is bullish. So we're better off waiting for confirmations to take buys. But if we're gonna get in on sells, we really have to wait for some very, very strong confirmations for getting on sells. Hey Chris, what's up, brother? Welcome to the streams, my bro. Always good to have you here, brother. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, let me know if this music is boring you so I can like change it. It's just random. A nice little surge up over here now. Music is fine helping with the combo for Storm. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Helps calm the mood before our stop loss gets blown. We're gonna have a good session, guys. Trust, we're gonna have a good session. We had a forums to come out at 4 a.m. Looking at hindsight, had some or 4:30. I think this is the new. This is the candle when the news came out. Had a great liquidity week coming up to the top, and then a nice drive bash. I think same thing happened with the 1-hour candle over here. Holy shit! This thing is just smashing through now. $99 1979 is our daily resistance, so we've tapped into it previously. We have a second tap of it right now, so we'll see if the daily resistance hold. So see how it holds. This month is garbage. Nah, I think this month was good overall. Now I'm not looking at any cells yet. It's a little bit tricky right now. I'm only gonna look for cells if we have a rejection of a certain key level and then a nice bearish candle closure. Holy shit! What if this? What is? Would this have been a nice trade? How would I have capitalized on this move? How would I have capitalized on this move? There's no way I would have capitalized on this move. Let's check the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, absolutely no way I would have capitalized on this. Yeah, we're at London Open right now, so this is expected. This kind of volume here it's expected. So we're currently trading above the daily candle resistance. We're approaching this 1-hour candle resistance again. Does this 1-hour candle resistance hold, or do we break through it? Just the highs up at 1982. Something we have to be wary of. It's only important that we wait for candle closure confirmations. Yeah, we just have to wait. We just have to wait. Who's ready to get the stops taken out? Does cat news affect GJ? I don't think so. Yeah, artificial intelligence is gonna be a game changer if people really look to be very serious in incorporating it into trading. That's gonna be a real game changer, bro. But overall, I think human intuition is still the best. Can't beat human intuition. I'm only gonna manage risk if I get in on a trade. Right now, I'm just waiting for confirmations. I'm not looking to take any buys. I'm not looking to take any sells. I'm just waiting. Just waiting at this point. Holy shit! I'm starting to get tired now. Need another coffee. I think I have a good win rate on Thursdays. Thursdays are one of my best. I mean, overall, Thursdays are one of my best days of the week. So, I think hopefully we can get a nice little winning trade today. It's gonna put us up for the week. And I don't know if I want to be trading tomorrow. Tomorrow is a special day for somebody who's trading right now. If you know, you know. Bro, I've been back this in the morning on my 6-cup coffee. Bro, me, I gotta buy sleep. Like, I just wanna fucking sleep. I already had one coffee earlier, so I'm trying to just messaging the missus to make one for me and bring it up. Hey, Manuel White. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Thank you in advance. Big days tomorrow, so hopefully we get a nice fat profit for today, so we can spend it on the weekend. Nah, jokes. I'm not gonna do anything too special for myself tomorrow. I was hoping I could get something done before then, but things are falling behind schedule a little bit, so just gonna chill out a little bit. So I think I'm just gonna spend tomorrow just working. Hopefully. Emmanuel, bro, how did you know it was my birthday, man? Shit. You're just gonna put it out there for the whole world to see, hey. Come on, man. Exposing me right now. Cheers, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Thanks, brother. Thank you. Thank you, bro. I'm gonna be 30, bro. Big 30 years old. Shit. I felt it, bro. Wish you many more. Amazing, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate it. So we have some like indications of strong bullish momentum. The only problem that we have is price is hovering around this resistance area in the daily time frame right now. So not really confident in taking sales yet. If we're gonna take sales, then it's gonna be an anticipation that this daily resistance hold. Previous daily resistance that was formed on the 19th of July. Ejected again on the 20th of July, so let's take a look at the forward time frame right here. Let's take a look at the structure on the forward time frame. So this is where price is right now. Price is at a level that was pretty much holding last week. So we had a nice fake out towards the top right here. Then price came back into the range and started tanking from there. So we're pretty much at this area where Price pretty much rejected most of the time, and not most of the time last week, but from Tuesday to Thursday last week. So we'll see if we have another rejection over here. The previous 4-hour candle kind of tapped into the level, retraced a little bit. Now we have a nice surge, bullish surge over here. Bro, I don't really trade gold at all. I just like calling out set moves and ghost trade. Can I run a scenario by you? Or play out? Yeah, bro. For sure. No worries, bro. My apologies, guys. I haven't been too active on the Discord chats lately. Just got too much shit going on in my life right now. I'm also in the middle of moving provinces, so yeah. But bro, go for it, bro. See if you can copy paste your trading view link on the chat on YouTube. I don't know if it works or not, but if anything, just put it on Discord and we'll check it out. Holy shit! Look at this now. This is great. Now play, guys. See, pay close attention to this. We have price coming up. Like even though we had like indications of bullish pressure, the only problem that we have for buys is this daily resistance over here. Now the daily time frame is the higher time frame, pretty strong confirmation time frame. So even though things look good to be bullish on the lower time frames, the 4-hour, the 30-minute time frame, you can't really rule out what's happening on the daily time frame to the left. So this resistance area, pretty strong resistance. So like I said, if we are going to take any sells, our sells are going to be based off rejection of this previous daily resistance area over here. So we'll see if we can get something. We really don't like looking at the 50-minute time frame, but I guess we're gonna take a look at the 50-minute time frame right now. Yeah. Okay, this is great. This is great. Guys, I'm gonna take a sell soon now. So we have two things happening. We have a rejection of the daily time frame. The daily resistance over here. We have this 1-hour candle tap into this 1-hour resistance area over here. Came down. This 30-minute candle is also rejecting this 30-minute resistance over here. This candle closing the next 1 minute. So looking to get an impulse entry right over here. Just to see if we can drive down a little bit. So this is gonna be a nice trade. This is gonna be a nice trade. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, guys, I'm in on this one. I am in on this. Pretty confident with this trade. A little bit early. Executed this based on impulse entry. I'm in a little bit of a drawdown right now, but I'm anticipating price to flip overall later on. Stops are gonna be above the current daily candle high right here, and our target is going to be all the way down here. So Holy shit, that drawdown is massive. Yeah, this is gonna be our only trade for this session. Could be our last trade of the week too. Copy. Yeah, if we get stopped out, shit. Gonna be back at break even for the week. Yeah, that would suck. Send it through the London channel. Right on. Let's check out Chris's analysis. Let's see. Open link. This is site. So this is where is this? See Daisy. Open in browser. Okay, so this is Chris's analysis right now. Chris said we have London open right here. What time frame is this? The 50-minute time frame. So Chris is on the 50-minute time frame. Waiting for a deeper. Chris waiting for a pullback and then a nice surge towards the highs. Last week's highs. Yeah, bro. So pretty much anticipating the last week's highs to be taken out. But just need price to pull back a little bit, eh? Let's see the 50-minute time frame. Just do some confirmations on the 50-minute time frame. This is the 50-minute time frame, right? Alright, yeah. Nice. So yeah, bro, that could work. I mean, we are on an uptrend. We are in an uptrend, so you know, like, see how you anticipate the price to come down and tag you in. Like for me, because like I'm in London session right now. Like what I usually do is, like, instead of waiting for price to come down, tag me in. Like, what you're gonna do over here, I just trade the retracement coming down. So like, I believe we're gonna have volume during the session to drive prices down. Like, if you think price is gonna come down, tag you in, then, like, for myself, I just trade that move down to where your trade is gonna be triggered. So that's just like how I perceive the markets. Like, yeah, like, I believe the price is gonna trade bullish overall, but as far as London session goes, I think we're gonna have a move, like the same move coming down over here to take you in. So, you know, all in all, I think we're on the same page over here. I think the only difference is I'm trading the move coming down to your entry point, and you're waiting for the move to come down to your entry point. So that makes sense. This is correct me if I'm wrong, bro. If you're not in on this trade yet, you're just waiting for a price to tag you in, right? But man, this is Your analysis, I like how you analyze your charts, bro. It's very nice, very clean. I mean, for me, I can just see how clean this is. You can already tell how you're anticipating price to come down, take you in, and you also have some like your last week's highs, and I like how your charts are clean and concise and very nice. Yeah, as for me over here, I don't know, man. I could get taken out. If I do get taken out, then it is what it is. I did say I was gonna risk 2% on this one, so you know, fuck it. uh, As we have to remind, we always have to remind ourselves that this is a probability game. You every time we come on the charts and we take a trade, there's always a winning and a losing probability. Like if this trade hits our stop loss, then you know just today the probability of this trade playing out wasn't in our favor. That doesn't mean tomorrow we come and then we like if I see this setup happening again tomorrow, I'm still gonna take it. Um, Either way, on the grand scheme of things, on a larger time frame, this kind of setups work overall. So yeah, pretty much looking at pullback. I've tried impulse entries and that's where I keep losing my shit, so better keep it safe with what works. Yeah, bro, definitely, bro. Like, definitely right about that. It's always important to stick to what works. Sometimes when things doesn't work too, like people start changing strategies and changing time frames and changing pairs, and I honestly believe that if you have a style of trading, everything works. Fibonacci, trend lines, what do you call it? These different SMC and SRC and all these different trading styles. Everything works. I think the only problem is that people don't stick to it uh, for a long time and give it time to play out on over a stretch of time. So. Man, I'm in like a massive drawdown right now. So, oh well. Yeah, I think the problem that I had is I kind of put my hopes on this 50-minute time frame, the 50-minute candle closure over here. This 50-minute doji. Kind of had my hopes set on this, and that was my mistake. But it is what it is. Our trade is still valid. This 30-minute candle is still open, so hopefully we can just grab liquidity and drive back bearish. Another reason why I like sticking to this like the 30-minute time frame, like people ask me like, why do you like look at like individual candles like this? Why don't you look at like the smaller candle, the smaller time frame candle, like the 5-minute candle, 2-minute candle? And my response is like, man, it's just the same thing, bro. Like if you're gonna hop onto the lower time frame, it's just a mess. You know, if I was gonna hop onto the 5-minute time frame, it'd be like all this bullshit over here. So I'd rather just stick to the high time frame. So you know, just wait for the overall 30-minute candle. Like we have 17 minutes left, so whatever is happening on the 5-minute time frame, really don't give a shit. So I'm just looking at the overall move on the high time frame. Like some people just go into the 1-minute time frame and like sit through all this bullshit. I think whenever I hop on, like whenever I take a trade on the 30-minute time frame and then I start hopping down to the lower time frames, like the 1-minute time frame and the 5-minute time frame, gets a little bit I get a little bit irritated, you know, just counting the minutes and counting each 5-minute candle and all that bullshit. So yeah, if this trade hits my stop loss, I know exactly what I did wrong over here. Like I should have waited for a 30-minute candle close instead of having hopes that this previous 15-minute candle would I mean this current 15-minute candle will follow through with the previous 15-minute candle. So if I have to lose this trade, then this is something I could learn from this. Should have waited for the 30-minute time frame overall. If this 15-minute candle can close below 1980, that would be ideal for both our plan. Yeah, bro, definitely. I think I pulled the trigger a little bit too earlier. But no, it is what it is, bro. Yeah, but this thing is just pushing. Ladies and gentlemen, this could be another character building session. Considering the fact that we are deep in drawdown right now. Yeah. And every time we take an L on the stream, this is an opportunity for us to build our character, you know. How else can you build your character? So by taking these losses, man. That's the only way. There we go. Yeah, we're about to get taken out. Or not. Hey, Ibdo, what's up, bro? What's up, what's up, what's up? Do you think gold can push to 1990? And anything's possible with gold. Can't rule that possibility out. Ibda had a buy from FOMC. Nice. There we go, guys. Our stop just got taken out. There we go. Yeah, probably it just wasn't there. It's I think we should have waited for the 1 hour candle close. Sorry, the 30-minute candle closure. I was just putting all my hopes on this 30-minute candle closure. This 50-minute candle closure over here. We're just anticipating this 50-minute candle to follow through, but unfortunately it didn't. But guys, ladies and gentlemen, as you all know, whenever we take an L, this is an opportunity for us to practice our discipline, practice risk management, practice not falling into the habit of FOMO, trying to make our losses back, trying to chase after trades. You know, it's all a probability game, guys. Sometimes you execute a trade and the trade goes in your direction and you're profitable, and sometimes you execute a trade and your trade goes against you and you take an L. So how you react to taking those L's in your trading journey is really what makes you or breaks you as a trader. So I did say I had a little bit more risk on this. I was risking 2%, so I'm like down for the week, like 1% down for the week now. So it is what it is. But I honestly believe that we can potentially retrace a little bit. I think I jumped the gun a little bit too early, so yeah, we'll see. Anyways, cheers guys, I'm gonna call it a session. I'll catch you guys. I'll do a birthday stream tomorrow, guys. I'll do a birthday stream tomorrow. It's gonna be a special stream during London session. It's gonna be a little bit early, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Chris, Ibda, Emmanuel, thank you for tuning in, guys, on the YouTube stream. See you guys. Cheers, cheers.